Welcome, friends. I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me homeopathic remedy, Anacardium oriental. Its common name is marking nut. It is part 1 general overview series and it is 7-minute revision. The text is taken from Allen's keynote and it is supplemented by Borick, Clark, and Ken Mathur. This text is best for the students of BHMS, interns, MD, UPSC, and PSC aspirants as a short review. So let us go ahead with that. The remedy profile is it is the best suited for psychosomatic and psychotic complaints. The kingdom is the plant kingdom and the natural order of this particular remedy is Anacardiaceae. The habitat of this drug is the small tree of marking nut, grows in tropics and East Indies, especially Malacca. The preparation. The juice of the crushed seeds of marking nut is used in preparing dilutions in water as the juice is soluble in water. However, the higher potencies are prepared with alcohol after third C. The remedy was proved by Dr. Henneman in 1885 and he published the provings in Chronic Disease. The organ tissue affinity is the mind, nervous system, muscles, joints, stomach, skin and palm. The lateral affinity being right lateral, thermal affinity being ambithermal. The characteristics constitution is somatic predilectation, special somatic character is the pale, sickly face, hollow sunken eyes which are encircled by dark rings. The general somatic characteristic is the patient has got weakness of all the senses. The psychic preponderance is the temperament is irritable and mental sphere has got sudden loss of memory and there is a feeling sensation as if in dream. Malicious, bent upon wickedness, irresistible desire to curse and swear. There appears to be two wills, one commanding and other forbids. Laughter at serious matter and serious over the laughable things. Suspects everything and everyone, thinks someone is pursuing him, and there are suicidal ideations by shooting. The causation. The diathesis is skin, GIT, and psychotic affections. The exciting causes include sexual excess, nervous exhaustion after studies, after severe illness, and self abuse. The characteristics of this remedy includes tendency to use violent language. Eating relieves temporarily all the complaints like headache, all gone sensation in stomach. The patient has got the fixed ideas that mind and body is separated, that demon is sitting on his neck telling him most offensive things, sees everybody's face in mirror except his. The illusion or delusions are a light has a hollow, clear audience, hearing voices of persons far away or dead, sensation of a plug in various parts, sensation of hoop or band around the body, eats and drinks hastily. The relationship of this remedy is compare Rust Ox and Rust Vibex. Symptoms are prone to go from right to left. Anacardium follows well after Lycopodium and Pulsatilla. Anacardium follows and is followed by Platina. The relationship. Remedy follows well Lyco, Platina, Pulsatilla. Remedies precede well Lyco, Platina, Pulsatilla. Remedy is antidoted by Clematis, Coffea, Croton tig, Ranunculus bulbosus, Rust Ox, Jugular cinerea. Remedy is antidotes, Rust Ox. The general modalities include the aggravation is on application of hot water. Allen has not given aggravation. it is from Burik, and the mental excitement, exertion, anger, fasting long after eating on application of hot or heat is from Cain Mathur. The amelioration is soon after eating when lying on the side, and from rubbing it is from Burik and Cain Mathur. Ellen has not given modalities. The miasmatic orientation, let us go to the miasmatic markers. Dermatitis point to psoric trait, fixed ideas point to psychotic trait, wicked and malicious points to a psychotic trait, suicidal thoughts by shooting is a syphilitic trait, and therefore our impression about the anacardium oriental is that it is a mixed triamiasmatic remedy. So friends, let us go to the posology. The doses 6 to 200 is the best potency suggested. Repetition, it repeats, it bears repetition very well, and the duration of action is according to Litz about 3 days, 30 days, and Clark tells us about approximately 40 days. So friends, let us go for clinical application area. This is best applied in conditions where we find amnesia, psychosomatic or psychopathic personality trait. Delusions are there, paranoid traits are there, headache, generalized anxiety disorder, hypochondriasis and constipation, peptic ulcer. Thank you very much for patient listening.